Hi, we're playing with a junior scientist kit today. My partner Caitlin is not here, so I'm doing it by myself.
Yeah, so before we start, I would just like to point out that I had to go to the microwave in order to make warm water. So, yeah.
That doesn't sound safe. Look at my little ghost.
Hi guys.
Oh.
Alright, yeah, you might want to take that out.
I think it's fine. It's not warm though.
How you measure it at your house?
Oh, it's...
You just put my finger in it.
I got it on my face. Yeah. Me too. I'm a little ghost. Oh! This microwave is sketchy. It's fine, but it's just sketchy.
Hey, well, hold up. Measure temperature.
Yes.
Let's
Tis warm.
It's tis warm.
Tis warm. So, we're taking our crystals, putting them in here to make our soft, watery crystals. To do this experiment, you need a magnifier and your mixing tray, mini mixing tray. What you do, add 1 or 2 crystals. I'm just gonna pinch it. I don't think that, are those actually the crystals? We'll see. And then I'll just make a few, yeah, like so. It's okay. It's in my nails, but it's fine. Then, well, to make the soft watery crystals, we have to make the color and the soft water. So, we're putting these color tablets in these little cups filled with warm water. And we're gonna wait. And we're gonna put that with the crystals. So they make crystals. You know? I know. Because I'm a junior scientist. I poured water in there and it went psh, now it's blue. That's not working too great with the red one. Maybe if I... Okay, yeah, no, it didn't explode like that one did, but that was cool.
There's 2 in that one and 1 in that one.
Okay, well they said 1 or 2, so I'd put 2 in 1.
Now put them right beside each other.
Oh, oh, it feels slimy. Got on my hand. We'll do a yellow one. Why not? Oh, dang. They don't have a green one. That sucks. In between. Why is it dirty? It's dirty.
It was coffee water.
No, like the tablets get dirty. Alright, well, we'll wait for that one to,
And we're gonna wait
Yellow.
5 minutes till.
Alright, so what I did
was I took the colored water after I put the color tablets in the warm water. And I waited for the color to and then I put it in there with the crystals. And hopefully it'll make crystals in an hour. So, yeah, it's supposed to take an hour. I told you. Time for fun chem facts. Also, I hope you like the rat clown. So, fact numero is that the making of crystals is a non-reversible change, meaning it can't be turned back to its normal substances. So, yeah. Chemistry fact numero 2. Chemical reactions occur when 2 or more substances are mixed together to form a new material, and that's what occurred whilst making the crystals. Chem fact numero 3 is a reaction rate can be altered by like
it gets like faster, you know, if heat, sunlight, or electricity is added to the reaction. And that's what I did with these. I put them in the microwave because I got impatient. Chem fact, numero cat. At least I think that's what it is. A reaction rate is basically like how long a reaction takes to complete. I don't exactly know how long this reaction took because it was not an hour. The junior scientist kit lied to me. So, yeah, I guess. So, a couple hours to a week. But that's also probably because I didn't do it right. So. Chem fact numero 5. I didn't read it beforehand. Because Caitlin wrote these, and that was her contribution to the video. Because she's a busy gal, and I'm not, so. Crystals are formed by the combination of sodium and chlorine, which join together in a crystalline shape. Which is this, although they're quite deformed. So. Yeah, we used sodium and chlorine. Chem fact numero 6. Chemical changes are changes that result in a new material, such as burning or combustion. Which, yeah, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. So. Chem fact numero, someone like my Instagram picture. I'm sorry I had to see that. Chem fact numero 7 is that there are 4 types of crystals. Covalent, ionic, metallic, and molecular. I don't know how to say that word, but I'm assuming it's molecular. So, and each type of crystal has a different type of bond between its atoms. And not gonna lie, I have no clue what this is, because I'm a junior scientist, not a senior scientist. I don't. Chem fact numero 8. A crystal is a solid material whose atoms are arranged in a highly ordered structure, forming a crystal. I don't know what that last word is or how it's pronounced. So, chem fact numero 9. The science study of crystals is called crystallography, and I think I'm pretty good at crystallography, as you can tell by my crystals. It's very quite clear. Chem fact numero 10. When a crystal is forming, its atoms charges have to equal 0. So that's what happened in this experiment. The atoms equaled 0, and now these do you see this? Oh, that's not it, Chief. So, I'm a failed science. This is a failed science experiment. I'm not a failed science experiment. I'm just a failure. So, this is the outro, I guess. I don't know what to do. Thank you for coming on this journey with me so we can make these crystals together. If you're gonna make crystals, get the one from the Dollar Tree, because I did that when I was real 7 years old. Don't get the Junior Scientist kit, at least for the crystals. Maybe for the other experiments in the box. But the crystals were kind of lame. I'm also making this outro long so I can get a longer video, because that's what I need to do. But yeah, so in conclusion, but what I did is I took the sodium and chlorine and warm water I mixed them all together, and you know that it's the best of both worlds. That was stupid. I'm stupid. I put them in my mini mixing tablet station. Mini mixing tray, that's what it's called. And it made crystals. Miraculously. Thanks for coming to my vlog. Well, I think I can end the intro now because this intro has been 3 minutes long. I just want to clarify what happened in the group. I am putting the video and such together. Caitlin, my sweet Caitlin, my gal, wrote and found our 10 lovely facts. Unfortunately, she could not read them for you as she's a busy gal, as I said before. So I'm reading them for you. Also, for the process of making the crystals, I would like to thank Ethan for filming, even though he's not a part of my group. Although you did yell at me a lot. Kind of bitter about that. And my girl, I was about to call you by your first name, but that's rude as a student to say. Miss Severance, for making me do this lovely piece of content. So, yeah. I cut out basically all of the outro. Okay, goodbye.